One of the things that's interesting about solar is there's a trend for something called they nickname it photovoltaics, as in floating photovoltaics. And so they're these sort of floating pontoons, and you build a big kind of matrix of them, and then put solar panels on them. And I've seen the first system in Miami, just outside of the airport, and you can see it driving westbound on 836, which is a great idea. And in fact, at one point, the developer talked to us about installing it, and our approach was, that's a terrible idea. We like the idea of floating solar systems, but not in South Florida, because we have hurricanes. So it's tough enough for us to get permits to put solar panels on buildings.
Yeah.
They're going to be structurally fastened to, a concrete slab. It blew my mind as somebody in their right mind approved a floating solar system on one of those small, man-made lakes just outside of the airport.
Yeah. I mean, that seems like those could just get ripped right up, right? I mean,
yeah. All I can imagine is that what's going to happen is that, if there's a nasty hurricane on the way, they're going to send out a crew and try to decommission it and take it apart and put the panel somewhere safely, as fast as possible.
Yeah.
I guess, one of the advantages to hurricanes is that they move slow. So you have some warning.
Know they're coming.
But when it gets there, it's destructive.